I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search for Happyform. Select a form. Click on Next. Now here search and select GetGist. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit GetGist API console. Now go to Setting. Then click on API key under the setting. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose user type. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetGist. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Please check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the GetGist. Here is the data that came into GetGist through the integration. Thanks for watching.